Honda Civic Type R is a lot of fun. The performance, comfortable seating, and aggressive design will all leave you with a smile on your face. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, security system, low tire pressure warning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.